Wow. Just wow. Gravity has only just been released, and already it's flooded with glowing reviews from critics and audiences alike. So is the movie really as good as everyone says it is? Well, yeah, actually. And here's why. If you liked the drama of Castaway, the effects of Life of Pi, and the suspense of 2001: A Space Odyssey, then you will really like this movie. During a routine mission to improve the Hubble telescope, a cloud of rogue space debris destroys the space shuttle, stranding two astronauts in orbit around Earth. Matt Kowalski, as played by George Clooney, is a seasoned veteran performing his last mission when the disaster strikes, leaving him with the only other survivor, the new recruit, Ryan Stone, as played by Sandra Bullock. Now the two just have to stay alive, while stranded in space, with no contact with ground control. And they're low on oxygen, with a constant storm of orbiting shrapnel bombarding them. Piece of cake, right? Space cake. At its core, Gravity is a survival movie similar to The Grey or Open Waters, or any of the other movies I've already mentioned. The approach is realistic to the degree that it's nerve-wracking. Despite the suspenseful and often beautiful musical scoring, the film has no problem letting the vacuous silence of space feel ever-present. Even in an oxygen-less environment, Gravity builds a tense atmosphere perfectly. There is something awe-inspiring about a sci-fi movie that can be so heavy on the science aspect and still be so entertaining. Director Alfonso Cuarón, of Children of Men fame, does a fantastic job of letting the terrifying void of space speak for itself. Space is the antagonist, survival is the goal, and it's only the lives of two individuals at stake. It's simple in every sense of the word, but that's part of what makes it so effective. George Clooney is as charismatic as ever, and livens up the screen whenever he's on. But it was Sandra Bullock's performance that was so surprising. Bullock has always had an affinity for playing comedic roles, but her more dramatic parts have been less than stellar. That is not the case with Gravity. Bullock goes all in with her performance and really draws you into her struggle for survival when the whole universe seems to be against her. The effects are fantastic, the acting is superb, and the cinematography is mind-blowing. I wholeheartedly recommend Gravity. It's a great sci-fi flick, and even more, it's a great film. It wouldn't surprise me if this movie becomes the new standard for space operas, picking up the pace that Space Odyssey started so long ago. That's it for me for now. Until next time, I'm Darren with Moving to Blender.